This DIY didn't turn out as expected, but if you want to learn from my mistakes, definitely make sure you keep watching. So I started off by adding a little bit of height to the cardboard box that I was using. Thankfully, the headboard that I was going to make was exactly the length of the cardboard box that I had, but I needed it to be a little bit taller because I planned on standing mine up against the wall instead of, I saw some people like hang theirs up with some command strips. I didn't personally want to do that because I didn't want to mess up the wall in my apartment. So I needed it to be a little bit taller so that the headboard actually went above my bed.
I can smoke already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Once I got that piece cut off, I added it to my first box and I just taped that together using some duct tape, and then I went over that with some Gorilla Tape. If you can do it, I would definitely suggest adding some sort of wooden beam, like even if it's just like a piece of wood. I'm not Bob the Builder, I don't know. But I would add maybe like 3 pieces of wood to the back of this just to make it a little bit more sturdy, because mine did lean a little bit. I used a stick pin, a push pin, to push it into the wall to help it stick up, but I think that would make it look a lot more professional and a lot less DIY-y.
The first time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog.
And this is my biggest mistake. I honestly don't know what I was thinking. I should have flipped this on the other side, because it's smooth on one side and then it's like this on the other side. You can 100% see that through the fabric. Don't know why I didn't think that you would be able to, but just flip it inside out on the other side and you will be perfectly fine. Or I've seen people use like the stuffing that people use for like pillows. You see, I took 2 pillows apart. This is a boppy that I took apart. Baby, I just needed any type of stuffing. I wanted this to be as cheap as possible and I didn't want to buy nothing. So I was just taking anything that I had. This mattress topper, it's a twin size mattress topper from Walmart. It was like $12.
Time will bring the real end of our trial. Day there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.